Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change the main funnel URL slug in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in sale page and we are using funnel builder for WordPress by FunnelKit plugin. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see FunnelKit and then you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open and then you see permalinks, you see checkout page slug, sale page, opt-in page, confirmation page, thank you page. So we created sale funnel page. Now you see in URL SP. Now back to setting. SP mean sale page, so you can change slug according to your requirement and then click on save changes. So we are going to change it to SPF and then click on save. Now setting saved, go to funnel page. So this is our sale page. Now add SPF, press enter. Now you see page is working with new URL. Now back to setting. So you can add checkout page, sale page, opt-in page, confirmation page, thank you page, URL according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.